kakain at
Oh
mabuhay
my
ka.
God! Wash your hands before eating.
Sir Peter, no, kapag sinabi natin habitable, ang isang consideration natin dyan is source of fresh water. No? At itong tatlo pala sa case na to, wala tayong fresh water dito. So, hindi naman siya ganun ka-habitable kung ang source is yung fresh water. Of course, there is already technology now that can support yung pag-convert ng salt water to fresh water through the
Where's your
desalination.
ears?
Yeah. Oo. So, in other words,
Where's your nose?
in
your
a
tongue?
practical sense, malabong mabuhay talaga dyan.
Eyes?
Dahil wala nang drinking
Where's
water.
your
No?
elbow?
Maiba lang kami ng
Elbow.
konti, pero siguro may kinalaman pa rin.
Elbow.
Yeah, ito, yung
Where's
mga
your shoulder?
sinasabi ng China na ito,
Shoulder.
more psychological than anything else dahil sa
Where's
nangyayaring
your
balikatan
knees?
exercise.
Knees. Your knees.
Very good.
What's your knees?
Balikatan exercise.
Knees. Where's your feet?
Ang harassment ng China at
Where's your
lugar ng
lips?
ating karagatan sa West Philippines is still
Where's
continuous
your
and still
neck?
persist. So with or without
neck,
balikatan
head.
exercise, the behavior of
Show
the
your
Chinese
leg.
government will remain the same.
Here.
Commodore, yung accusation ng China
Where's
na
your
meron
tummy?
akong anim na
Where's
tao
your
na naging po dun sa Sandy Cay. Sinasabi po nila mga Pilipino
Where's
daw
your
po
hair?
ito. Meron po ba tayong confirmation
Where's your
kung
hand?
sino po ang mga ito at kung sila po ba
Your
ay
hand.
from St. Agencies natin?